Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me one by one. អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការឆែកមើលក្នុងឡានធំថាមានឡានអីខ្លះប្រភេទយានជំនិះអីខ្លះ Now we can see super motorbike, my favorite super motorbike, very nice, super cute everybody. Okay, next one, mini airplane, very nice airplane. Okay, next one, Spider-Man. Okay, next one. How about this one? Cute excavator. Cute excavator. Very nice excavator. Okay, another one. How about this one, everybody? Spider-Man. Spider-Man big hat. Spider-Man big hat. Okay, next one. Excavator, mini excavator. Very nice excavator. I love this one so much. If you do, write down below. Check another one. A cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck, everybody. Okay, next one. Batman. Batman. My hero, Batman. Okay, next one. Yellow car. Okay, another one. Racing car number 9. Racing car number 9. អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការ check another bigger truck. Mobil Tanki. Indonesian language. Indonesian. Racing car. Shoot racing car. Now you check out it. By Hero Iron Man. Hero Iron Man. Red Iron Man. Now you check next one. នេះ hero អត់ដឹង hero អីទេបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា Police car. White color. បាទនេះគឺប្រភេទឡាន die cast car. Die cast car បាទហើយក៏វាជាប្រភេទឡានដែលយើងជិះផ្លូវលំបាកបានបាទ off road. Okay, everybody, if you love my video, please write down, like, and especially click a subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.